Hi guys, this is Alkesh from the Huawei Ideas X5 blog, and this video is an unboxing of the new Philips SHE 6000 surround sound headphones. There has been a lot of word around as to which headphones are compatible with the Huawei Ideas X5 and which give good sound quality and are value for money too. So after some research, I found out these to be like a mixture of good value for money sound quality, and these are compatible with EOS X5 too. So I have bought this for around 1300 Indian national currency, and it's a good deal by the way, because I just opened them once to check if they work with EOS X5. So let's take a look what's inside the box. These headphones are not a noise cancellation headphones, but these are a surround sound headphones. So they don't cancel the sound, but they do eliminate a bit of it, not much, but that's okay for me. And I, not being much of an audiophile, so these headphones would work great. First of all, in the box we obviously have the headphones. That's the Philips SHE. You can see it has a nice finish to it, and also its rear end seems to have a speaker like look, which helps enhancing the sound quality according to Philips. Further inside we get the 3 extra air tips, as you can see, uh, small, medium and large, and another medium are in the headphone itself. We also get a pouch. The pouch is nice. It's got a velcro kind of feel, and it's a good yellow black contrast. Looks like it can protect your headphones well. Opening this, here you can see a small pouch kind to hold your air tips, and this velcro strip is to part between your left headphones and your right headphones. My friend had one. It has a 24 karat standard jack, and this works great with the Huawei Ideas X5. That's the best part of these headphones. And coming, I don't know if they've listed it down. Um, um, okay, it's here. The specification says that it has, I don't know if you can read this, but it has a 12 to 22,000 hertz of frequency range, 104 dB of sensitivity, 16 ohm of impedance, and 50 megawatt of maximum power input. So these headphones are best for Huawei Ideas X5 if you are looking something around 1300 rupees, that is 1.3k. That's in Indian national currency, so it should be about $24. So if you have the same price range and you want something for Huawei Ideas X5, then these are the headsets to go for. These are the earphones to go for, and it doesn't have an inline mic, so you will have to use your phone's mic with these earphones. So that's it. This was the unboxing of the Philips SHE 6000 earphones. I'll keep you posted about the sound quality in my blog, so keep a watch on my blog, keep checking it, follow my blog, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. This is Alkesh from the Huawei Ideas X5 blog, signing off. Thank you.